Let's get started. Start with listening, and then learn new words and practice them in sentences.
Imagine stepping into a bustling office in a new country, heart pounding with the excitement and nerves of the first day. Meet Anna, who has recently moved from Mexico to Germany for a new job. As she stands in front of the sleek, modern office building, Anna feels a swirl of emotions. Excitement for the fresh opportunities ahead mingles with a tinge of anxiety about the unknown. Anna worries about language barriers and cultural misunderstandings that might arise. She's practiced her German, but fears that it might not be enough to seamlessly fit in. The thought of different workplace etiquettes and communication styles also looms large in her mind. What if she misinterprets a casual comment or misses out on subtle office norms? Despite these fears, Anna is determined to make the most of her experience. She takes a deep breath, adjusts her new blazer, and steps forward with a hopeful smile. As she pushes through the office doors, she reminds herself to stay open and curious about the new experiences ahead. Anna's first challenge arrives sooner than expected: the morning coffee break. In many cultures, coffee breaks are more than just a pause for caffeine. They're a vital platform for socializing. This casual setting is perfect for newcomers like Anna to weave into the social fabric of the workplace without the pressure of formal meetings. As she steps into the bustling break room, Anna begins with the universal smile and a simple, "Good morning, how are you?" These basic greetings are her first tools in breaking the ice. She listens attentively to her colleagues' responses, nodding and maintaining eye contact, which are key aspects of active listening. This not only shows respect, but also helps Anna learn more about her colleagues' interests and personalities. To keep the conversation flowing, Anna uses common topics like, "Have you tried the new coffee flavor?" or "What's your plan for the weekend?" Questions about office routines are also safe bets. She asks, "Is this coffee break a daily tradition here?" Such inquiries not only fuel further discussion, but also clue her into the office culture. Active listening plays a crucial role here. It involves more than just hearing words, it's about understanding and responding thoughtfully. Anna shows interest by asking follow-up questions based on what her colleagues say, demonstrating that she values their input and is eager to learn from them. With each sip of coffee and exchange of stories, Anna feels the ice beginning to crack. As days turn into weeks, Anna notices subtle nuances in office dynamics. In the bustling office in Germany, Anna begins to understand that much of what is communicated goes beyond words. She observes her colleagues closely, noting that a slight nod often means approval, while a quick frown may suggest disagreement or confusion. These nonverbal cues are different from those in her home country, where people are more likely to express their feelings openly. Anna learns that in Germany, maintaining eye contact during conversations is seen as a sign of respect and attentiveness. Initially, she found this intense, but she soon realizes it's a critical part of communication here. She also notices that her colleagues often value punctuality and precision, arriving at meetings exactly on time and expecting the same from others. This is a shift from the more relaxed approach to time she was used to back home. One day, after a meeting, Anna stays back to ask her colleague Lars about an email that everyone seemed to understand but her. Lars explains that the email referred to a long-standing office joke, something Anna hadn't yet been privy to. This moment highlights the importance of asking questions whenever there's doubt, a practice that slowly helps her peel back layers of the cultural onion in her new workplace. Through careful observation and engaging in conversations, Anna learns to read between the lines. By respecting these unspoken rules, she gradually becomes more adept at navigating her new work environment. Anna realizes that understanding these silent signals is crucial to her integration into the team. Not every day is smooth sailing. Cultural misunderstandings do happen. Imagine Anna, a bright and eager employee from another country, who finds herself in a challenging situation at her new workplace. One day, she mistakenly schedules a meeting during a time that coincides with a local cultural event which her colleagues had planned to attend. This oversight leads to a small conflict, as her colleagues feel their traditions were overlooked. In situations like these, maintaining professionalism is key. Anna quickly realizes the importance of this as she navigates the choppy waters of cultural sensitivity. She takes the first step by apologizing for her oversight, showing her respect for her colleagues' cultural practices. This act of humility is the first step toward resolving the conflict. Next, Anna seeks to understand before being understood. She asks her colleagues to share more about their cultural events and why they are significant. This not only educates Anna, but also helps build a bridge of understanding. Her colleagues appreciate her genuine interest and effort to learn about their culture. Utilizing clear and respectful communication, Anna proposes a new meeting time that doesn't conflict with any cultural events. She ensures to double-check this with her colleagues, demonstrating her commitment to respecting their needs and preferences. Throughout this process, Anna learns the importance of patience and empathy. She comes to see that while navigating cultural differences can be challenging, it also provides an opportunity to grow and learn. Though the resolution requires effort, Anna learns valuable lessons about resilience and understanding. Over time, Anna moves beyond mere acquaintances and begins forming deeper bonds. As Anna settles into her new role, she discovers that the key to building lasting relationships at work often lies outside the office walls. After-work activities and team outings, she finds, are golden opportunities to connect on a more personal level with her colleagues. These informal settings allow everyone to let their guard down and share stories, laughter, and interests that go beyond daily tasks and projects. One sunny Friday afternoon, Anna joins her team for a bowling outing. Initially hesitant, she soon finds herself cheering, sharing high fives, and even competing spiritedly with her colleagues. This outing proves to be a turning point. Through the clatter of pins and friendly banter, Anna feels a genuine connection with her team for the first time. She realizes that participating actively in such gatherings is crucial for forming deeper relationships. For those looking to foster similar bonds, remember, being approachable is key. Show genuine interest in your colleagues' lives. Ask open-ended questions that encourage dialogue, and most importantly, listen actively to their responses. However, it's also essential to respect personal boundaries. Recognize when someone prefers not to share or engage and respect their space. By balancing involvement with respect for personal boundaries, Anna not only finds herself part of the group, but also sees an improvement in teamwork and communication back in the office. These shared experiences not only enhance Anna's social circle, but also her sense of belonging in the team. Several months later, Anna reflects on her journey of integrating into a foreign workplace. Starting a new job in a different country can feel like stepping into a world where every step is uncharted. Anna began this journey with hesitation, but soon learned the power of initiating conversations. Simple greetings and expressing genuine interest in her colleagues' lives helped bridge cultural gaps, making the unfamiliar familiar. Understanding cultural norms was another significant milestone. Anna realized that observing and asking respectful questions about workplace etiquette not only prevented misunderstandings, but also deepened her appreciation of the diversity around her. Facing and resolving conflicts also played a crucial role. By adopting a mindset of empathy and collaboration, Anna turned potential conflicts into opportunities for mutual understanding and respect. Participating in team activities, from casual lunches to formal office events, Anna not only felt more included, but also contributed to creating an inclusive atmosphere herself. With patience, openness, and the right communication strategies, navigating a new workplace in a foreign country can lead to rewarding experiences and lasting relationships.
Let's learn new words and practice English at level B1. Socialize. Socialize, to participate in social activities, interact with others in a friendly way. Example, it's important to socialize with your colleagues to build strong work relationships. Culture. Culture, the ideas, customs, and social behavior of a particular people or society. Example, understanding the local culture is key when you start working in a foreign country. Networking. Networking, the action or process of interacting with others to exchange information and develop professional or social contacts. Example, networking within your workplace can help you advance in your career and find new opportunities. Etiquette. Etiquette, the customary code of polite behavior in society or among members of a particular profession or group. Example, be mindful of the workplace etiquette in your new country to show respect and professionalism. Adapt. Adapt, to adjust oneself to different conditions, environment, or circumstances. Example, adapting to a new work environment can take some time, but being open and flexible will make the transition smoother. Language barrier. Language barrier, a barrier to communication resulting from speaking different languages. Example, overcoming the language barrier might be challenging, but learning the basics of the local language can significantly help in everyday interactions. Team building. Team building activities that aim to enhance social relations and define roles within teams, often involving collaborative tasks. Example, participate in team building activities to better understand your colleagues and integrate into the team. Cultural sensitivity. Cultural sensitivity, being aware and sensitive to the cultural differences and similarities between people. Example, demonstrating cultural sensitivity in the workplace helps create a respectful and inclusive environment.